Every October, the world comes together to pay tribute and remember the victims of domestic violence. Each year, more than 51,000 lives are lost, many at the hands of an intimate partner or family member. Countless others suffer in silence, living with the lasting trauma of abuse, financial control, and fear. The I Know Why She Stayed initiative shines light on the hidden link between domestic and financial abuse, because 99% of survivors say money is the number one reason they can't leave safely. This October, we invite you to stand with us as we launch Beyond Survival, a 4-pillar program to rise and rebuild, a comprehensive guide designed to help survivors regain independence, stability, and hope. Your support can bring this life-changing program to communities in need. Help her leave safely. Help her know she's not alone. Together, we can build a path forward.